first movies. And they had the first movies before mobile phone, they had it without any audio voices. It just had this, yeah, you remember black and white movies from the 20s, 1920s. Wonderful. Before they developed the technique of sound and voice, the actors back then, they thought, what can we do to express? We have subtitle. That, we had subtitle. But they used another very old technique from the street. Because in the street of Paris, or France, on the street of Germany, Berlin, London, actors performed already for a big audience.